Having trouble finding your AirPods Pro 3 on the Find My app? Here's why this happens. First, the AirPods need to be properly paired with your iPhone or iPad via Bluetooth. Make sure they're charged close to your device within 10 meters and that Bluetooth is turned on. Secondly, your AirPods must be linked to the same Apple ID as your paired device through iCloud. Find My uses this connection to track them. Ensure you're signed into iCloud and that Find My is enabled for your Apple ID. Lastly, location services are crucial. Go to Settings, Privacy and Security, Location Services, and make sure it's turned on, and Find My has permission to access your location. AirPods Pro 3 use GPS, Wi-Fi, cellular, and even ultra-wideband for precise location, so location access is essential. First, try repairing your AirPods. Forget the device in your Bluetooth settings, then put the AirPods back in their case, close the lid, wait 15 seconds, and repair them. Next, double-check your Apple ID and iCloud settings. Sign out and back into iCloud on your iPhone or iPad. Ensure that Find My is enabled within your iCloud settings. Head to Settings, tap your name, Find My iPhone, and make sure Find My iPhone and Send Last Location are toggled on. Then, verify your location services. As mentioned before, check that location services is enabled and Find My has location access. Finally, if nothing else works, try resetting your AirPods. Press and hold the Setup button on the back of the charging case until the status light flashes amber, then white. This resets the AirPods, and you'll need to repair them. After each step, check the Find My app to see if your AirPods Pro 3 are now discoverable. If issues persist, contact Apple support as it could be a rare firmware or hardware-related issue.